If you want to control which websites can use your webcam in Google Chrome, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. Whether you want to allow camera access for video calls or block it for privacy and security, Chrome makes it easy once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots icon to open the main menu. From the list that appears, click Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all of its main privacy and permission controls. Once the settings page opens, look at the left side and click Privacy and Security. Inside that section, find an Open Site Settings. This is the area where Chrome lets you manage permissions for websites, including things like location, microphone, notifications, and camera access. Now scroll down until you see camera and click it. This is the exact page where Chrome controls webcam access for websites. Here you'll see the setting that decides whether sites can request permission to use your camera or whether they are blocked completely. If you want to allow websites to ask for camera access, select Sites can ask to use your camera. This is the best option if you use Google Meet, Zoom, or other web-based video tools because Chrome will still let websites request permission when needed. If you want to block camera access completely, select Don't allow sites to use your camera. This will prevent websites from requesting access to your webcam, which is a great choice if you want extra privacy or if you simply do not want any site using your camera. After choosing your preferred option, you can close the Settings tab and Chrome will keep that preference saved automatically. If a website still needs access later, you can always come back here and change the setting again in just a few clicks. And that's it. You now know how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. It's a quick setting, but it gives you a lot more control over your privacy and how your browser uses your device hardware. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.